Plant FAQs. Aglaia odorata, Chinese perfume tree. Aglaia odorata, your complete guide. If you're looking for a fragrant, low-maintenance plant to brighten up your garden or indoor space, Aglaia odorata, commonly known as the Chinese perfume tree, is a fantastic choice. Having grown this plant myself, I've gathered some frequently asked questions and answers that might help you get the best out of your Aglaia odorata. See more 124 species in genus Aglaia at monsteraholic.com. What is Aglaia odorata? Aglaia odorata, or the Chinese perfume tree, is a small, evergreen shrub known for its delightful scent. The plant produces clusters of tiny, yellowish flowers that emit a pleasant fragrance, reminiscent of jasmine or citrus. It's native to Southeast Asia and thrives in a variety of climates. How to grow Aglaia odorata? Growing Aglaia odorata is relatively straightforward. Here are the key steps based on my experience. Location. Choose a spot with partial shade to full sun. It can handle some direct sunlight, but prefers filtered light. Soil. It thrives in well-draining soil. I use a mix of potting soil and sand or perlite to ensure good drainage. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. During the growing season, water regularly. In winter, reduce watering but avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Temperature. Aglaia odorata prefers warm temperatures. It can tolerate temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit -6 degrees Celsius, but thrives best in USDA zones 9 to 11. How to care for Aglaia odorata? Proper care ensures a healthy and thriving plant. Fertilizing. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season. I use a general-purpose liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain its shape and encourages dense growth. Prune after the blooming period to avoid cutting off new flower buds. Pest control. Watch out for common pests like aphids or spider mites. In my experience, a simple solution of water and mild soap works well for treating these issues. How to prune Aglaia odorata? Pruning Aglaia odorata is essential for its health and appearance. Here's how I do it. Timing. Prune after the flowering season, typically in late spring or early summer. Technique. Remove any dead or damaged branches first. Then, trim back any overgrown or unruly stems to shape the plant. Avoid cutting into old wood, as Aglaia odorata may not regrow from it. How to propagate Aglaia odorata? Propagating Aglaia odorata can be done via seeds or cuttings. Seeds. Collect seeds from mature fruit, then plant them in a seed-starting mix. Keep the soil warm and moist. Germination can take a few weeks. Cuttings. Take 4 to 6 inch cuttings from a healthy plant. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant in a mix of sand and peat. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment until roots develop. Can you grow Aglaia odorata indoors? Yes, Aglaia odorata can be grown indoors. It's a great choice for indoor gardening due to its compact size and pleasant fragrance. Ensure it receives adequate light, either from a sunny window or a grow light, and maintain consistent humidity. Is Aglaia odorata toxic? Aglaia odorata is generally considered non-toxic to pets and humans. However, as with any plant, it's best to keep it out of reach of young children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Benefits of Aglaia odorata. Fragrance. The primary benefit is its sweet, jasmine-like fragrance, which can enhance the atmosphere in your garden or home. Aesthetic appeal. It adds a lush, evergreen look and attractive yellow flowers, making it a lovely addition to any landscape. Common problems with Aglaia odorata. Pests. As mentioned, it can be prone to aphids and spider mites. Regular inspection and prompt treatment can manage these issues effectively. Leaf drop. This can occur if the plant is exposed to sudden temperature changes or inconsistent watering. Keep conditions stable to avoid this problem. What to plant with Aglaia odorata? Aglaia odorata pairs well with other tropical plants like ferns, hostas, and bromeliads. Its moderate size and growth habit make it a good companion for a variety of plants without overpowering them. How Aglaia odorata compares with similar plants. Comparing Aglaia odorata to other fragrant shrubs like jasminum or gardenia. Jasminum. While jasminum also produces fragrant flowers, Aglaia odorata's scent is less intense and more subtle. Gardenia. Gardenias are known for their strong scent and larger blooms. but they require more care and specific growing conditions compared to Aglaia odorata. In conclusion, Aglaia odorata is a wonderful plant to grow, whether indoors or out. With its lovely fragrance and relatively easy care requirements, it's a great addition to any plant collection. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the beauty and aroma of this charming plant.